Okay, so writing project one in module one, and you'll see that there are 6 steps. The final step is A and B, but generally there are 6 steps, and they're all nested under the parent of writing project one, which is module one. They correspond, they're the same thing. Module one is our first writing project, hence writing project number one, module one. There's the start here button, not button, but page. We click on it. And I'm in student view, so what I see, you'll see. And we directions take some time to click through the various steps in this module, right? The reason why I have you do this is just, it builds confidence. Anxiety is when you don't know what's going to happen. So let's see what's going to happen. Builds confidence. And we see that there is a first activity where we watch a video, which brings some context to the reading that we're going to analyze. The reading we're going to analyze is from the great historian Henry Steele Commager and his piece called Who is Loyal to America. Also included a video so you can get a sense of who the man was. He's not, just some person who, shows up in your module with 2 paragraphs on loyalty. He's an actual individual who, was a very important figure in American history in the 20th century. And so I just want you to get just like a sense of that, because the more authentic and real and genuine, the education experience is, the more we get out of it. Hence why the video is here. He also touches on some of the same themes that he writes about in Who is Loyal to America. So again, in this video right here, he touches on some of the same things.